Very good morning students. For this lecture video session, I am going to solve a problem from the first unit by using Lami's theorem. So before proceeding, let me just read out the question and try to extract as much as information given in the question. So let me just read out. An electric light fixture weighing 50 Newton hangs from a point C by two strings AC and BC as shown in figure. Determine the forces in the string AC and BC. Right. So the given data. So this is the drawing which is being given the question. Right. So the given data. So what is given? The light fixture is weighing 50 Newton. 50. W equal to 50 Newton. Any other information given in the question? Nothing. What needs to be found? What needs to be found? So look at here. Determine the forces in the string AC and BC. So this is a C point. It is acting in this point. Right. This is a concurrent force. This is also coplanar concurrent forces. It is acting at point C. Look at here. These strings are tied at point B and A. When a string is tied from a point, the tensile force acts. That is outwards from the point. So that means the force which acts outwards from the point. So which can be written from C to A, it can be written as, that is to find TCA, that is the tension from C to A, from C to A. Next, C to B, the tensile force from C to B, which can be written as TCB. Solution. Since it is in equilibrium condition, right, I need to draw the FBD. FBD is nothing but the free body diagram. Free body diagram. Let me just take this point because it is mentioned as a point C. So let me just take that point C. Always the weight acts vertically upwards. This is 50 Newton and the point is C. Look at here, this is vertically upwards, that is not vertically upwards, a certain inclination, which can be written as TCA. And the other side, it is mentioned as C to B, so which can be written as from C to B, therefore TCB. Since I am going to apply the Lami's theorem, I need to know the angle between these two forces and these two forces. Whereas here it is given only 60 degree here and 45 degree, I don't know the angle between the two forces. So just observe carefully how I am going to calculate this angle. So look at here. So let me just form a right angle triangle here. Right angle triangle here. So right angle triangle, this other side would be 90 degree. This would be 90 degree. So what is the internal, that is sum of internal angles for triangle? That is 180 degree. Sum of angle is 180 degree. So what would be this angle then? 180 minus 90 minus 45, you will get 45 degree. You will get 45 degree. So since I have drawn a horizontal line, this could be 90 degree. Then between these two, that is B to this lighting fixture, the angle could be 90 degree plus 45 degree. Look at here, this is 90. From the horizontal to the lighting fixture is 90 degree, and from the horizontal to the C, that is C to B, is 45 degree, which is equal to 135 degree. Clear? Now I need to find the angle between these two, that is lighting fixture and TCA, this angle. Right. So in order to arrive this angle, so here it is unknown. Right. If I draw a horizontal line here, that means parallel to this fixed line. If I draw a parallel line to this, the opposite side angles are equal. For an example, if I draw a parallel line and draw a inclined line in this manner, if this is 60 degree, the opposite angle, that is with horizontal, here it is horizontal, the angle is 60 degree. If I draw a horizontal line, between this line should be 60 degree. Therefore, here it is 60 degree, therefore this should be of 60 degree. Right? Then what about this angle? This could be 90 degree. Because horizontal, this is making right angle. So 90 degree. So this could be 90 degree plus 60 degree, which is equal to 150 degree. Correct? Then what about this? This can be easily, you can easily find out this angle. So for a full circle, what is the angle? It is 360, right? We know the other two. So it is easy. 360 minus this one, 135, minus the other angle, 150, which is equal to 75 degree. Got it? 75 degree. So now I am going to apply the Lami's theorem here. So I have three forces which is acting on the, these forces are concurrent. So I can apply the Lami's theorem. Applying Lami's theorem here. What Lami's theorem says, if three coplanar forces are acting at a point B in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of angle between the other two forces. Suppose I take TCA, this is the force, right? It should be the proportional to the sine of angle between the other two forces. This is TCA. Other two forces are 50 Newton and TCB. So what is the angle here? It is 135. That means sine of 135. Since it is equilibrium, I am just equating it. The next unknown is TCB. As far as Lami's theorem is concerned, the proportional to the opposite of the sine of the other two. Look at here, this is the angle, other two forces are here, 50 and TCA. This angle is 150, that is sine 150 equal to. Now I am going to consider the weight of the lighting fixture, which is 50 divided by the sine of angle between the other two. Look at here, this is 50. The other two forces are here. Between these two forces are 75 degree. Look at this equation. Here two are unknown and one is known. So let me just take this as 1, this as 2 and this as 3. I am going to relate this one with the known one. So let me just considering 1 and 3. Considering 1 and 3, TCA by sine 135 equal to 50 by sine 75. Isn't it? So, what is the unknown here? TCA is the unknown. By doing the cross multiplication, 50 by sine 75 into sine 135. So if you just use the calculator, you will get the value 36.5 Newton. How come you got the value in Newton? Look at here, the question it says Newton as a value of the weight, right? So one value is known, that is TCA is known, right? Now I need to find the next unknown, which is TCB. Now I am going to consider 2 and 3. Considering equation 2 and 3 here. What is 2? TCB by sine 150 equal to 50 by sine 75. What is unknown here? TCB is unknown. So I am going to do the cross multiplication here. 50 by sine 75 into sine 150. By using the calculator, you can arrive the value, which is TCB value would be 25.88 Newton. Got it? So, result. TCA value is 36.5 Newton and TCB value is 25.88 Newton. Got it? So, suppose in place of 50 Newton, suppose it is given in kg. Suppose it is given 10 kg. How you will convert that into Newton? I taught you in the previous video the formula for weight is equal to m into g. Suppose the mass is given in kg, what you have to do? So assume the value is 10 kilogram. 10 into what is g, which is nothing but the gravity due to the acceleration due to the gravity, which is 9.81. G value is 9.81 meter per second square. So now you just multiply it, you will get 98.1 Newton, which is irrelevant to this question, but still, suppose the weight is given in kg, that is in mass, you should know how to solve the problem, right? So let me just wipe off this, which may confuse you, right? So you should be ready with it. As being an engineer, your presence of mind should work instantly to calculate all the values. Hope you have understood even how to solve this kind of problem by using the Lami's theorem. Thank you.